Knit two together and SSK are paired decreases. They are mirrors if you work them on either side of a piece of fabric. Here are a knit two together on the left edge and an SSK on the right edge. These are blended decreases, fully mirrored. They're the same number of stitches in from the edge and they slant towards each other. If you reverse the working of these and switch which edge they get worked on, here's a knit two together on the right edge and an SSK on the left edge. These are full fashioned decreases. They are the same number of stitches in from the edge and they slant away from each other. These are full fashioned mirrored decreases. To work a knit two together, you simply place the right hand needle into the second stitch and then the first stitch, treating them as one stitch, and knit them together. Working continental, it's the same idea. You place your needle into both stitches and knit them together. This is a right-leaning single decrease. When working stockinette stitch, it is worked with the right side of the fabric facing you. An SSK is worked by slipping one stitch knitwise, slipping a second stitch knitwise, and then knitting them together through the back loops. So I slide my left hand needle tip into purlwise into those two with the left hand needle tip in front, so I'm set up to knit them together through the back loops. This single decrease slants to the left, and again, when working stockinette stitch, it is worked with the right side facing you. The SSK on the swatch over here is a left-leaning decrease, and left-leaning decreases tend to be enlarged compared to their right-leaning decrease counterparts, simply because of the order of the stitches and how you work the stitches. So it can be tricky to get the SSKs to totally match the knit two togethers in size and appearance. If you work at the tips of your needles and baby those stitches, stretching them as little as possible, while you work them, this can help to minimize the stretching and the enlarged appearance that you get with your SSKs. So those are the knit two together, a right-leaning single decrease, and the SSK, its pair, the left-leaning single decrease.